the Osaki OS-3D Pro Dreamer installation. The chair comes with 4 main pieces: a base, which is the seat, 1 backrest, 2 side panels, 1 Allen driver, 4 hex screws, 4 washers, 4 spring washers, which are used for the installation of the side panels, 1 Phillips screwdriver, 4 small pan head screws, 4 small washers, which are used for the control holder, 1 flat head bolt, 1 split head pin, which I recommend with a needle nose plier. Also, 1 power cord. You're going to start by attaching the right arm to the base first. After that, you're going to connect the hose. Then we're going to start with our 2 plugs. Then we're going to lift the chair up. Make sure you don't pinch the hose and clamp it down. Okay, you're going to start at the back of the chair. We're going to go and put the bolt with the arm. Start with your bolt, lock washer, your flat washer. You're going to put your bolt right in here. Little hole provided. Find the hole in the arm and tighten with your fingers. You're going to use your Allen key, Allen wrench. And tighten it about halfway. Then we'll go ahead and start on the front after this. To get to the front bolt, we must first unzip the seat. Use a paper clip to apply to the zipper. Unzip. Let's see. Your hole is going to be right here. Alright, let's move to the front. Now remember, the bolt's going to have a flat washer and the lock washer. Use your hand. And to tighten down, you can use your Allen wrench. After this process is done, move to the back and tighten that down. Before the backrest installation, there's a few things we need to do. On these rubber hoses right here, there's 2 extra caps. Simply pull them out. There's going to be a zip tie right here. Go ahead and cut that. Remove the styrofoam and plastic. Also, this is going to be your cotter pin and your pin right here. Go ahead and pull these out. We'll be using that in a minute. You're going to move the backrest to the bottom portion of the base. This is going to allow us to connect the tubing. Now we're going to connect the backrest tubes and the wiring harness. Simply grab the tube, insert here. They're going to be labeled number 2 on them. Repeat on this side. And your wiring harness, which connects to the speakers. Simply clip that on. After the 2 air hoses are connected and the speaker harness connected, pick up the backrest and lower it into the seat brackets and lock it into place. And on the bottom of the backrest, you want to bring this black little lever down, attach it, Alright, when that's done, slowly move back the chair till it locks. After the backrest is done, plug in your black wire to the black plug and the gray wire to the gray plug. This is going to be your power cord. Simply plug in here, plug in your house outlet. This is your on-off switch. To install the backrest seat cushion, there's going to be 4 Velcros. Take off the covers. And connect with the backrest. At the top, there's going to be a zipper. Go ahead and zip. This is going to be your last step, the installation of the controller. Adjust the positioning holes of the controller to match the ones in the side panel. Use one of your 4 screws with the washer and the screwdriver. Align the holes and screw in. Attach the remote.